I became a child neurologist because I fell in love with neurology and I fell in love with children, and I just felt like it was important to be their advocate.
She's been there to fight for my girls just as hard as I've had to. She's made me feel more comfortable with going to the hospital.
The community would really suffer without pediatric neurology. I do a combination of inpatient and outpatient work, and probably on average see 5 to 10 inpatients a week. My hope is that the program will expand. The practice from a pediatric neurology standpoint could easily support 3 child neurologists, and then adding the other resources, psychiatry, psychology.
How are you? How are you today? Yeah.
Being a parent is hard enough, but being a parent of special needs children is even more challenging.
She has given me her personal cell phone number for me to contact her in emergency situations.
I love what I do, and I'm grateful that I can do what I do.